guys, it's I'm Sqwishys, and today I'm with
Laina and Lily.
Okay, so today we're doing slime and squishies. So let's get started.
I think I'm going to choose this one.
Okay, I'm choosing this one.
I like this one. Yeah.
Candle. You guys might know that I've already done a slime video, but these are just my updated slimes of like the new ones I've got. So let's do it. Who go first?
So the slime I've got is it's in the shape of a love heart, and it's like really glittery. It's like a baby pink, really. It's got lots of different glittery.
See-through. It's
things.
see-through.
Yeah, it is nice to see through. If you like pull it, it's like see through. You can see those.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's nice, like really glittery and shiny.
Now-
Tell them how loud it is. Like, it clicks really
nice.
loudly.
Okay, that's my slime done.
So now we're gonna do my slime. Can you open it, please, Lena?
Yeah, sure. Want me to take it out?
I can do it.
Okay. Put my slime down there.
So mine came in a watermelon container. So it's like, I would say like a dark baby pink kind of.
Yeah, it's darker
Yeah.
than mine because look, it's much darker than.
Yeah. And it's see-through. So
It's quite stretchy as well, isn't
Yeah.
it?
It's putty as well. So it's like putty slime.
So now we're moving on to the slime.
So, this is my slime. It's a grey, crunchy slime.
Well, it's my slime. Not I.
And it is quite runny
I feel
and
it.
a little bit sticky, yeah?
Oh my god!
It's
Oh my
a little
God.
bit sticky.
It's small and sticky.
And it has some little foam beads and big foam beads and
Oh my god, it's stuck to me.
It's a weird colour.
and it feels really
Oh my
nice.
God.
It's really nice and soft. And it's really stretchy.
Oh my god!
Let's put it back in the tub then.
If I can get it off my hands.
It's a little bit of a mess.
The pot's going
Yeah,
in.
let's all put it back in.
Ready?
Slide it in.
And
Uh-oh.
it's stuck to me. There we go.
Yeah.
It's
Put it on the
stuck to me.
Oh,
I got it in.
Guys, this is still loads on my hand.
We're not a mess.
It's squishies.
I think we're choosing the 3 best squishies.
Yeah.
That we
So
think.
we've chosen ours, and mine is this really nice slow rising panda.
It's really cute. Lift it up.
It's really soft and slow rising.
Next you've got.
Then I've got this Shopkins. Is it Shopkins?
I don't know.
Telephone, whatever this is, and it's quite hard actually.
Yeah, it's like a harder one, I think.
Yeah.
Not like the.
And then this one is a little bun that has a bite out of it with chocolate on it. And
I
it's
think
really
like,
nice and slow
It looks like it's
rising.
got sprinkles on it.
Yeah, it's got
Chocolate.
sprinkles on it.
Who's going next? Me or mine?
I'll go next. So for my big one, I've got this unicorn cake that I love so much.
It is really squishy.
I don't think any of them smell, do they?
Some of them.
Oh, the cake smells so good.
This one smells.
No.
This one doesn't smell.
Okay. So that's my big cake.
Favourite
squishy.
one?
Now for my medium one, got this pineapple.
It has a little bit of defects on it.
Yeah. That's the thing that I hate about squishies most is like they rip so easily. That's
Yeah.
the point, and like they're
So
most
that's
expensive.
And I've got this really slow rising.
It's got like a,
It looks like a hamburger.
Yeah.
Kind of.
No, 'cause
Yeah.
it looks like it's got lettuce and like
It looks a bit
cheese.
evil.
And the face like.
It looks a little bit evil.
Okay.
That one. Whoop.
Okay, mine are this really cute cake squishy. It's really squishy and slow rising.
I think you've got the same, haven't you?
Yeah, I have exactly the same house, but it's like chopped in half because my sister chopped it in half. Anyway,
No.
and it's got like really cute strawberries on as well. So squishy, finally. Okay, this is a unicorn, which is like it looks like metallic because like it's really shiny there.
It's a bit ripped
Yeah,
as well.
it's a bit ripped underneath the neck and
Yeah,
the
that-
legs.
I have one
Really
of those
squishy as
squishies
well.
and they rip really
And it's like got
easily.
nice wings, tail, and a unicorn on it.
Well, it's a unicorn.
Then I've got this bunny, which is really cute. It's like a little one. It's like I think you get that too.
Yeah, I got that. I got those for these for my birthday.
It's like a really cute bunny. So yeah.
We're gonna do a squishy line. So we're gonna do a squishy line.
Now
Yeah.
we're going to do this
All the
squishy line and we're going to
squishies.
squish all of them at once and see.
Right.
You might have to get in like better because
3,
1.
Oh my god, this is so
I haven't done this one. Squishing all of
Now
them.
we're gonna carry on with our friend day. And yeah, make sure to
like,
subscribe
And turn on that post notifications bell.
and
Always
always
smile.
smile. Bye,
Thanks,
squad.
squad.
Bye.
Hey girl, you like me a little bit?
No, I don't even like you a little bit.
Come on girl, you like me a little bit.
Not even a little bit.
Wait, don't you like me a little bit?
Ew, I don't even like you a little